The best marketing strategy produces the worst ROI. People love measuring marketing. Everyone loves Google Analytics. Everyone loves Google Data Studio. If you spend $1, you want to make more than $1, right? But if you focus your marketing efforts only on things that produce a direct ROI, you'll struggle to build a multi-billion, if not even a multi-million-dollar business. Just think of it this way. If you want to buy athletic shoes, what company would you turn to? Leave your answer below in the comments. If you want to buy a credit card, where would you look? Same, let me know in the comments. And what's your favorite car? Now for a moment, just think about the answers that you just gave. What do they all have in common? You picked them on the spot, not because of Google search or a Facebook ad. You picked them because you're familiar with the brand, right? You probably picked Nike, maybe Visa or MasterCard or American Express. If it was a car, you probably pick a Tesla or a BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, right? You pick the brands that you're familiar with. Now guess what Tesla's marketing budget is? $0. Instead, they focus all their efforts on building an amazing product because that builds a brand. But look, the chances are you won't be able to pull off what Tesla did to build a brand. Even I can't. Most people can't. We're not Elon Musk. He's amazing. But here's how you can grow your brand. It all starts with the rule of 7. When someone sees or interacts with your brand 7 times, they're much more likely to evangelize it. So I'm going to give you some tips that'll help you with the rule of 7. The first is leverage all the major social networks out there. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. The list goes on and on. Whenever you're posting content on one, you can post on another. You are probably watching this video on either YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Can you guess what's familiar with this video? It's the same video pretty much on all the channels, right? On the flip side, if you don't do that, you're not going to get as many eyeballs. Now, another channel that you can end up using to help with that rule of 7 is email marketing. When someone goes to your website, collect that email. I have another video that I talk about here. Email list is that ATM, that digital ATM. Every time you send out an email, you can make money. So collect those emails. It is true. It's one of the best marketing channels, and it's a great way to keep being in front of that audience so you can get there 7 times. Another channel for you is SEO. Create blog content, that text-based content. By creating that text-based content, when people do searches, they'll find you. Maybe you can also convince them to be on your email list and then get them back. And then from emailing, you can ask them to follow you on the social web. Then I would also start collecting phone numbers. Follow up via text message. People open up text more than they open up email. Another channel that I love is push notifications. Through browsers, people can click a button and subscribe, and then you can send them a notification. The click-through rates aren't as great, but it still helps with the rule of 7. In essence, think of most marketing channels, whether it's paid advertising, organic, or non-paid. Leverage as many as possible. Heck, you can go live on social media. You can create a podcast. It's up to you, but the more channels you leverage, you're going to more likely get in front of your target audience 7+ times. Now keep this in mind. Don't add all the channels at once. Do them slowly, or else you're going to burn yourself out. When you're creating content for social, republish that content on most of the social profiles that it works on. So then that way you're getting the most out of your content. Now, if you need help with the rule of 7 and building a brand, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we're awarded the Agency of the Year. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.